Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, bragging in life sometimes is very good if it is related to any stock purchase. So here we are going to discuss about the stock of Bragg Gaming Group Inc. Actually, I have discussed about this stock couple of days back, and probably those who have seen the video, I have talked about the swing which is already started, and the swing which you can see will probably leads you to much higher levels than you can see here right now if the trend sustains. So let us discuss, or let us rediscuss the same thing again, and I have a reiterate, and the trend looks very good, so I'm going to reiterate the same kind of analysis which we have shown. And if you want, you can check out my previous video on Bragg Gaming Group Inc. And in this video we are going to discuss about the big swing or the opportunity, the stock forecast of Bragg Gaming Group Inc. in this particular stock. So let us quickly discuss or start the video. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. So first of all, or primarily, the stop loss or the level from which the stock has started moving is the most important level we have here. So on the downside, what do we have here is 4.44. so this is going to be the stop loss which we are going to see as far as the lower end of the range is concerned. Or if you want, you can consider the level in between 4.44 and $5 is the lower end of the range. And if the stock falls below these two levels, do not try to attain or hold, continues to hold any position on the downside. So this is the first and most important thing which you need to understand over here. Now primarily on the upside, you do have two specific levels to look at as far as the primary end or the primary targets are concerned, or rather three. So you have these three levels which you are going to look at if the stock continues to sustain above $5. So Bragg Gaming Inc. with its primary target range starting with 7.54 can go up to 10.23, and here we are. The big range or upper end of the range for the first range is 12.67. so these are the three consecutive targets which we are going to look at over here. So here we have these three targets which we are here for on the upper end of the range, but this is not the end of the story. This is not even the half of the story. So what we have here beyond 12.67 is going to be the upper end of the range or the recent high that the stock has tested in the year 2021. So what we have here as far as the upper end of the range is $24 and $25.5 on the upside. So $25.5 is going to be the big resistance above which, if any trend yet to start or if new range yet to start, that will happen only beyond $25.5. So right now these are the big targets, or the highest end of the range we can look for is $25.5. But as I told you, this is not the end of the story, because for the simple reason here is there is a big range or there is a big trend which is evolving. If you just observe this chart, this is hypothetical as of now, but if the trend works as we are thinking or as we are discussing in this particular video, let me tell you, a big range is evolving. So what is that range? Let me show it to you. There is a very clear and swift trend over here. Okay, and here we are. So this is the trend or the range I'm talking about. So if the stock started trading above $25, 25.5 or $26, it will be considered as a big breakout, and in that case the big range that we're going to look at is in between $50 and $80 on the upside. So this is how the big range or the big trend looks like, and this is what we are looking at as far as the big targets is concerned. So if you're looking at the big target, a very big target for Bragg Gaming Inc., we have lot to cover on the upside, and there are big levels which are yet to be seen as far as the big range or the big target of a Bragg Gaming Inc. is concerned in the upcoming months or probably years to come. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.